So it seems like Mbekezeli Mbokazi is about to join Chicago Fire in the MLS League in America in a deal worth 51 million rands. Yeah, man. From an Orlando Pirates fan point of view, if you support Ibagania, yeah, this is a loss for Ibagania. And yeah, man, you are losing a star player, a leader, quality player, and everything that he is to the club. And yeah, man, it's a loss. But there's quite a few things I want to say about this deal overall. And firstly, if you are Orlando Pirates, I mean, it's a good deal. If you are Orlando Pirates as a business, you are pocketing 51 million rands from an academy player. Player that you barely even spent money on, from getting him, and you are pocketing 51 million rands in less than a year after he's been introduced into the first team. So from an Orlando Pirates point of view, it's a very, very good deal. For him as a player, I worry about the move, honestly. I worry about the hunger. Will he still have the same hunger? Because, I mean, you are moving to America, you are moving to a country where people don't even care about Ebola. The culture of America, it's not a football culture. There's no hunger there and determination about Ebola, especially if you are a young player who's still trying to make a name for himself, who's still got a lot to prove at bowling. So you are moving to a country where no one has that determination and hunger in general about Ebola. So I worry about that. But from a financial point of view, I can get it. I mean, at the end of the day, you need money to survive. You need money to pay. You have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your family. Now, at the end of the day, so I can understand it from that perspective. But for his career, I worry. I worry about players moving to America in general, young players. I mean, when you look at Unjabulo Blom and Ukesha Smailul, I mean, they went to America in the MLS League, and you look at their careers, it didn't really take them to that next level. And it's not because of they are bad players, but they don't have the quality to play there. I mean, they do have the quality to play there, and I could argue they're even better than most of our players in MLS. It's just the determination and hunger in that environment that's just not there for a young player who's still trying to make a career for himself. So that's the worry I have for Mbekezeli Mbokazi in my opinion. And I hope when he goes there, I mean, he still has that hunger that he has now. I just pray, I just pray he's gonna be different in that sense. You go there and then you lose that hunger of football because nothing is motivating you there. So I hope Mbokazi will stay motivated. I mean, man, he's a brilliant player. He's a brilliant player. Sonke siyakwazi lokho. I mean, ikhangaphambili ikhangemuva bani. TLP nice. I will miss him. I will miss him. But in life you have to move on. Teams have to move on. You lose your best player at the end of the day.